Hey guys, hope you all are doing great, and today I am going to show you that how you can fade any image in Illustrator. So let's get started. First of all, choose an image and draw a rectangle over the image and send it to back. You can arrange and manage the length of the rectangle just the way you want and just the way you want the length of an image, and give the color of the rectangle to the image color. Now go to Windows and then transparency and click on opacity mask, and then you can see no image over the artboard. So don't worry, just press Ctrl Y and draw the rectangle over the outline of the image. Now go to the gradient and now adjust the gradient and fade the image just the way you want. You want to hide some parts of the image, you can do it as well. So it's all up to you. Play with the gradient and adjust it. After doing this, just simply click over the image and now you are done. So if you want to write some text over the image, you can do it as well, just the way I am giving the quotation of Enzo, as this image is the important character of the Vampire Diaries. So I am going to add the dialogue which I like the most. So this is all for today. Hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. If you are liking my content, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I will show up with another video of Adobe Illustrator. So till then, bye bye.